no ordinary photo keychain. This is a switching device. Everything happens out in the open. The audience can remove the card, and they can examine everything.
I love it, honestly. That's one of the coolest things that's happened today.
No way! That's been in there for like 5 minutes. I saw it right there.
Bro, I was holding that the whole time, way before y'all was even signing it.
Here, I'll let you see the moment it happens, because if there's a band on the card, you can track it. You know exactly where it's at, and you can see the moment it comes to the top.
I can't see nothing.
Well, you saw it kind of get to the top, yeah. But you do know that everything I'm showing you is technically not real. None of this is actually happening at all. Because I never keep the ace of diamonds in my deck here. It's actually right here, look. I'll show you. Can you take it out?
Hey, baby.
I love one wheels. I'll place it right there and take a picture of that, because that picture you took was before you even signed the card. You remember that, right? Let's see, because in here, and then if you don't mind helping me out, just take it out. Yep. Open it up, and you get to keep that as proof that was there from the very beginning. I gave you this before we started, right? Yeah. Can you hold on to those for me real quick? And check this out, look. Right here, we have a card. Can you pull it out for me? Yep.
Bro, I was holding that the whole time, way before y'all was even signing it.
The void is a simple keychain,
It blends perfectly into your everyday life.
ready to use at a moment's notice.
I actually keep it right here. This is the place I keep it. Can you take it out for me? Oh, you can kind of see right there.
No way! That's been in there for like 5 minutes. I saw it right there.
The void is your classic mystery box.
But not only does it switch, it can do so much more.
Introducing my brand new Quantum Observer principle, where your spectators have a complete free choice, yet they also get to see details of the actual prediction that you have. That prediction has been in full view the entire time, and it never leaves their sight, yet you can always predict any free choice that your spectator makes.
We set out to create the most innocent and ordinary looking mystery box that can live permanently on your keychain.
No suspicious magic props, nothing bulky to carry, and it resets in seconds.
Thank you.
With no suspicious moves, the void creates a seamless retention of vision.
They remove the object themselves.
And they can examine everything.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Hey, man. Thank you.
What's the secret to this keychain?
It makes anything you believe real. Welcome to a place where nothing
Hides everything.
Welcome
Welcome.
to the void.
And the card that I signed was in there afterwards. So I took the picture. I signed the card. The card I signed was in where I took the picture after the fact. I have no idea. I'm good with that though. Fucking love it, honestly. It's one of the coolest fucking things that's happened today.